Google just released a new version of Gemini with multimodal, and in this video I'm going to show you 7 insane ways you can start using it today. You're going to want to go to aistudio.google.com. On the right, you're going to want to click the modal. On the right, you're going to want to click the model. You're going to scroll down to where preview is, and you're going to pick this Gemini 2.0 Flash Experiment. You're going to know you're on the right one if you see this output format with image and text. The first thing we're going to do is talk to Gemini and have it modify a photo. So we have AI Dana here, and I just have a prompt that says give her a body. And you can see here is her body. We can say and make her top red. And we're just using natural language to modify a photo here, which is absolutely wild, and it is super quick. So you can see the results here. This looks pretty good. Second absolutely mind-boggling thing you can do with this is pose characters. So here is an image of myself, as you can see, and I said, can you turn the head so he is looking to the right? So here I am looking to the right. It is insane. It can do this, and it does it extremely fast, and it looks good. The third thing I'm going to show you is character consistency, and it is crazy how good this is. So make him looking at birds while standing on the edge of a dock at a lake. So it's going to take me standing at a lake, and you can see it does a pretty solid job. It has me. The next really cool way I'm going to show you that you can use this tool is through this prompt here. Using the same style as this image, generate an image of a person holding a YouTube subscribe button, and it generated the dinosaur holding the YouTube subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, you should do it now because you get awesome content like this. More seriously, you can actually take this tool now and totally modify and manipulate photos, but trust me, it gets a lot better. Wait till you see the 7th way. It is insane. The next really cool way to use this is for marketing. So now I can say, can you generate a photo with this picture on a t-shirt? And I even spelled photo wrong, but it still is able to do it. Here we have a dinosaur with our subscribe button. That is actually a pretty cool t-shirt. If you're in marketing, you can use this tool to quickly see how your image or product would look on t-shirts, mugs, so on and so forth. The 6th wild way to use this is through this long prompt here. You are a visual storyteller AI, your only language is imagery. Then I give it guidelines to respond with only images, to think visually, and to communicate visually. Said, can you explain how plants grow? And instead of text, it should respond back to me in a series of images. Here's what it came back with. So we have a plant here, and as we scroll down, it has a yes or a no. So it's trying to ask me something, I'm not exactly sure what, but we have our plants here, and they all look kind of the same, but this photo here has caught my attention. You can kind of see the change of the plant a little bit. They're saying that there is a water cycle that is going on to help the plant grow. While not the most useful, it is still kind of fun to see its logic and process through images. Let me show you the 7th way, which will blow your mind. We can use this to create an animation. So I said here, create an animation by generating multiple frames showing a rocket ship launching into space and finally reaching a distant planet, all in pixel art style. Generate the image for each frame by frame. So we can see here, the first frame, it's on the launch pad, and it doesn't really look like on the launch pad, but that's what it says. And as we go forward, you can see it going up higher and higher. So this is actually what it just created by merging all the images together and putting them through quickly. This Gemini model has been out for less than 24 hours, and I'm sure there are other really cool ways you can start using it. If you know any, leave a comment down below so others can benefit. If you enjoyed this comment, don't forget to leave a like on the video and do subscribe. I try to give you the greatest and latest AI content, so you do want to subscribe so you don't get left behind. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Creating the journey's yours. Unlock the future, open the doors. Ideas and inspiration, just one click.